Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hello everyone, first of all I would like to introduce myself. My name is Citra Putri Permatasari with the student ID number is K432101 from Class A Biology Education Study Program FKIP-UNS 2021. I'm here to fulfill a civics education course project. Alright, let's get started. What is national identity? National identity is a term that consists of two words, namely identity and national. Literally, identity is a characteristic, identity or state attached to someone or something that is useful to distinguish it from something else. The word national is an identity attached to groups that are bound by similarities with their culture, religion, physical desires, or ideals. National identity is national personality or national identity possessed by a nation that distinguishes one nation from another. Based on that, every nation that exists today has its own identity according to the unique nature and character of a nation. This depends on how a nation is formed historically. The national identity of a nation cannot be spared from the identity of a nation. National identity reflects a value that exists in society, in country. It is something that is constantly evolving and is open. Then, what's the national identity of Indonesia? Pancasila as a national identity, namely as a nation personality that can encourage the Indonesian nation to keep going according to its tracks but not against the flow of globalization. But the nation becomes more careful and wise in living and facing the challenges and opportunities that exist. The reason for Pancasila as a national identity is because the Indonesian nation is one of the international communities that has a different history and principle from other nations in the world. The basic principles of philosophy are used as the principle of the philosophy of life for the nation and state in the form of Pancasila. Pancasila as a national identity because the Indonesian nation is one of the nations of the international community, which has a history and principle in life that are different from other nations in the world. Pancasila is the soul of all Indonesian people, which gives life force to the Indonesian people and guides them in pursuing a good inner and outer life in a just, prosperous Indonesian society. The values of Pancasila have existed since time immemorial which are applied in everyday life, whereas Pancasila which has been accepted and established as the basis of the state as stated in the preamble of the 1945 Constitution in the personality and way of life of the Indonesian people, so that no single force is able to separate Pancasila from the life of the Indonesian nation. Pancasila has been proven to play a role as a unified view of life for Indonesians in the form of awareness, ideals with one spirit of Indonesian nationalism. National identity also really expects a solid form of national integration. In sustaining its sturdiness, national integration requires the strength of social integration and cultural integration. Awareness of national identity is essentially an awareness of oneself. A person who has awareness means that person is sure of the ideal of the nation to be achieved. Then, awareness of national identity is a belief in the value contained in human about the identity of their nation that has existed, is and will be. Archipelago Insight is a way of looking at the nation with the aim of maintaining unity and integrity, which is realized by prioritizing the national interest over the interests of certain individuals, groups. Based on the 1993 and 1998 MPR decrees concerning the GBHN, the archipelago perspective is the perspective and attitude of the Indonesian people regarding identity and the environment that prioritizes national unity and integrity, as well as territorial integrity in order to achieve national goals. The archipelago inside itself, its use a guide, motivation, encouragement, and sense is determining policy, decision, action in the administration of the state at the central and religion level as well as for all Indonesian people in the life of society, nation, and state. According to Prof. Van Yusman, archipelago insight is the Indonesian people perspective on themselves and their homeland as an archipelagic in country in all aspects of diverse life. Archipelago insect has two main objectives, namely, the first, the purpose of insect into the archipelago to the outset in ensure national interest in the increasingly global era of globalization and domestic life, then participate in carrying out world order based on freedom, eternal peace, social justice with mutual respect. Second, the purpose of insect into archipelago is to guarantee unity and integrity in all aspects of national life, both natural and social aspects. The principle of insect to the archipelago is basic rules or provision that must be obeyed, carried out, and maintained by all elements of society in order to create peace and balance in Indonesia. There are five principles in the archipelago insect, namely, this one, the principle of solidarity. Second, the principle of honesty. Third, the principle of common purpose. Fourth, the principle of justice. Then the last, the principle of cooperation. Implementation of the archipelago insect is basic rules of provision that must be obeyed, carried out, and maintained by all elements of society in order to create peace and balance in Indonesia. The first, implementation in the field of defense and security. This is done by forming attitude and self-discipline in defending the country. Second, implementation in the political field. Its implementation is in the implementation of Indonesian political life. Third, implementation in the economic field. Utilization of natural resources in Indonesia while preserving in the environment. Fourth, implementation in the social field. Mutual respect and respect for every difference of diversity that exists in the country. What the implementation? Election, because the implementation of election with a democratic system that upholds justice, develop an attitude of pluralism and human rights to unite diversity in Indonesia. The implementation of the archipelago insect is politic is also intended to create a strong, clean, and trustworthy government by the people. That's all from me. Sorry if there any mistake. Thanks for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan.